Money Academy.
Today I'm going to share with you a new money-making method. That is earn 20 cents per click, and you could potentially make up to $100 in passive income. This is a great way to make money online in 2022. Now this is the website that I'll be showing you how to get paid per click automatically. So make sure you watch all the way to the end before I reveal the name of this website. But basically you can see it. Here you can earn up to 20 cents for every single click you receive. As you can see here, get paid for every single click. We're going to pay you for all clicks that you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. And just think about it. 1 click equals 20 cents. So 100 clicks are going to be a very easy $20. And 500 clicks is going to be $100. And everyone can join this as long as they have a PayPal account. Now that you've made your money, you can cash out into your PayPal account as shown here. How and when will I be paid? We're going to pay our affiliates by PayPal, and all earnings will be paid at the end of each month for the previous month. And all payments will be in US dollars. So all you have to do is put in your PayPal email address inside your account, and they'll send you all your payments. Now basically the name of this website is theentireweb.com. And entireweb.com is actually quite comparable to Google, which is a search engine. I'm sure that many of you are familiar with Google. Basically you can search all of the information right here on Google by simply typing any keywords that you want to look for. And the same is true for theentireweb.com. They are essentially a search engine that works similarly to Google, and that you can type in any keyword that you want right here in the search box. For example, how to make money. And then click the search button, and they will show you all of the search results. As you can see here, for all of the articles, blog posts, and videos, or you can simply click on different images to look up different things that you want to search for. As simple as that. It's similar to Google, but they're new to the market, and they're willing to pay you for each and every click you generate, up to 20 cents for each click. You might ask why they're paying. Because it will encourage more people to use the entire web. And of course, to get more users, you could be the ones promote this free search engine and encourage more people to use it by becoming an entire web affiliate. And for every single click, every single time people click on the search, or every single time people visit any images on a website, you can earn 20 cents over and over again, which is incredibly powerful because you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to promote anything. Just recommend people to use this free search engine, and you can get paid per click automatically. So first and foremost, we must sign up for a free account to become an affiliate for the entire web. All you have to do is click on the Create Account button, which will take you to this page where you can fill out this information, which is pretty self-explanatory. After that, click this Terms and Conditions and sign up for a free account. And then you can start promoting the entire web search engine to everyone on the internet and getting clicks on autopilot. Now I'll show you a bonus website to automatically receive clicks. Now I'm going to Hercules.com, where you can freely advertise whatever link you want to promote. And once again, this is completely free, no investment is required, and it's available worldwide. So all you have to do is click on this button to get started right now and receive a free $5 sign-up bonus. And to create a free account, you just need to fill out this easy form. And after that, you can create a free account. So from there, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose between free and paid membership options. Don't worry, we're not going to spend any money. All you have to do is choose the free package, and free membership is shown below. Simply go down below and click on this button to continue for free, and it will take you to your account. As you can see here, I'm logged into my account. And right now what I want you to do is click on this button that you can see here. You can submit an email on a web advertisement, and it'll take you to this page where you can submit your advertisement for free on this website. So right now I'd like you to scroll down below and check for this regular mailer. As you can see here, we can just put in a headline, a URL link, and the ad content. So once again, I'll do my best to help you in starting to make money. So for the subject headlines of your email advertisement, write something like new search engine that replaces Google. That's the entire web, which is basically a headline of our email. And this website Hercules.com will assist us to send emails to thousands of people automatically. You don't need any money to do this, which is the beauty of Hercules.com. You can do it with just a free membership. So once you put in a headline and a subject line for your email, you'll put in a test URL link, which is basically your affiliate links. And every time someone clicks on your link, they'll go to the entire web search engine. And every time they search for something, click on the search button or click on any link on their website, any videos, or any images. You'll be paid 20 cents per click again and again. So this is actually a very good way to advertise whatever link you want to promote. So for the ad body actual content, type something like, click on the link above to try out this brand new search engine that works much better than Google itself. You can try it out yourself to find out more. So we can literally send out these email ads to thousands of people on Hercules.com. And a large portion of those people will eventually click on this link right here because it's free. And if they search on something and click on any of these websites that you help them generate a click, you'll get paid 20 cents again and again. And that's the entire concept. That's it for this video. And please support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.